All right, guys, we got us a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0 Coyote. Coyote, babe. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converters there and there. Then we left the resonator, then it was into a single, left the resonator right there. Then we did Y-pipe duals on it, out the back, mandrel bend tailpipes on each side. And we had to do a custom so it looked like the Raptors. So we did it out on the edges because of also the trailer hitch right there. So it gives it that Raptor look. Came out really nice, really beautiful. As you guys can see, custom tailpipes bent there and there. And there it is right there. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there's the muffler and tailpipe we cut off. There it is right there. 2014 Ford F-150 5.0 Coyote. What we got done, something really nice on this one. It's got factory converters there and there. Then we did true dual. So we took the Y pipe out, that's over there. I'll show you guys in a second. We crossed it over to equalize the pressure and true dualed it all the way back. And kept going and going and going on this side and this side into 4-inch rolled tips by 18. Right there and right there. That's what it looks like, guys. And like always, please subscribe, like, smash that like button, all that good stuff. Keep us going. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Whoa, I like it. What do you think? She's talking. She's screaming, not just talking. Another happy customer. Oh, you like it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Sound decibels again, one more time. 109. Go ahead and back it out. That looks so good. Came out really clean. It's the Sport 4x4. Nice. What you guys hear on this one? I told you. It peaks at 120, bro. True dual, straight pipe. Oh my God, it sounds disgusting. Hell yeah. There's the Y pipe on it that we cut off. There's the resonator, and there's the muffler and tailpipe. And we came back out with true duals. Why? Why not, right?
Exactly. Get it loud.
Hell yeah! The louder the better. Oh my God! That's awesome, huh? One more. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. There's the old, there's the new. What do we need all that for? We don't need that. That stuff makes it quiet. We like it loud, especially on a Coyote motor. You cannot go wrong with a Coyote motor on those. Just wait for the drive out, guys. He's gonna really like it. Camera don't give it justice, guys. It's so loud.